Hello everyone, my name is Gauri and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make some really cute and fun Christmas crafts. For the first craft, I am using this red sheet and I'm going to make a cute hairband for my daughter. I'm a girl mom and I know, I really want my daughter to look so cute on this festival. I am making a freehand drawing here. They are actually the horns of the reindeer. After cutting, you will get two of them like this, and now I'm using another sheet. I don't have brown sheet, so I'm using the white one here, and then I'll paint it in brown color. But if you already have brown one, then please use it. I'm using brown acrylic color here, as I already told you that I didn't have the brown sheet. Acrylic colors are very user friendly as they dry so quickly, and I love the texture of them. With a thin brush and white color, I'm painting a cute snowflake. You can paint stars and whatever you like. Some people paint polka dots as well, and they also look cute, but because it's Christmas and my daughter has to look Christmassy, that's why I'm painting the snowflakes and the snow and stars. It's a plain hairband of black color. You can wrap your hairbands with ribbons as well. I'm not doing that currently. I'm just, sticking all these things here. It's done, and rhythm, my daughter, she was looking so cute in this. So just make some hairbands, make your daughter happy, make yourself happy. For the second craft, I'm using these wooden beads and an old glove. I'm just cutting one piece of finger, the finger of the glove. Now stuffing it with this cotton. I have an old pillow and I extracted this cotton from it. Tie it properly. Now I'm using this thread, this golden thread. You can use any thread you have, and I'm sticking it from behind. They will be the hands of this doll. Now I'm painting the eyes and the mouth here. Paint the mouth in the same way as if it's saying or singing something. Now I have this red leftover piece and I am using it as the scarf of this doll or the girl. Now I am sticking the head to the body, and use any strong adhesive. I am using Fevikwik here. You can use hot glue gun or any strong glue. Just stick the head like this. Now take any piece of paper or sheet, and I'm painting it in brown color so that it will look old, rustic. I'm cutting the extra part of the hands. Now time to stick the hands to the body like this, both hands, and stick this book of carol, Christmas carol, like this in her hands. Now she will look like as if she is reading the carols, she is singing jingle bells or anything. She is so cute, I love it. I actually love miniatures. For the third craft, I'm using a waste cardboard, and cutting it like this in rectangular shape. Then I'm using my red sheet and using Fevicol here. After the drawing, I am using this brown color and giving the door this brown shade. Then I have this green felt. I'm making a circle. If you do not have green felt or green fabric, you can use paper sheet as well, like this. So a cute mini wreath is ready to hang. I'm sticking it with Fevikwik. To decorate it, I'm using the golden acrylic colors and then the red acrylic. A beautiful and unique door ornament is ready to hang, and it is looking so cute, so pretty. For the last craft, I am using this red sheet again, and I am just rolling it like this. Then I have this yellow strip. If you do not have yellow strip, use the yellow sheet, cut it like this and roll it. It has to be the flame of the candle, so stick it here. Now I have this golden ribbon, and I am wrapping the candle like this. You can use this candle as an ornament, plus you can use such things as on your gift wraps as well. They look so cute, so beautiful, so unique. It's done, and thank you so much for watching this video. May God bless you, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Now we'll meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, Merry Christmas.